case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1997, the Alaska Supreme Court heard the case of State v. Hazelwood, which centered on the issue of whether a criminal conviction based on the civil negligence standard of care is constitutionally sufficient. The case involved Captain Joseph Hazelwood, who ran his oil rig aground off Alaska in the Exxon Valdez incident and spilled 11 million gallons of oil into Prince William Sound. Hazelwood was convicted of negligent discharge of oil, but argued that his conviction based on civil negligence violated his due process rights. The Court of Appeals initially agreed with Hazelwood, stating that criminal convictions should only be based on findings of simple or ordinary negligence when the offense involves heavily regulated commercial activity, a standard that did not apply to the oil industry. As a result, they found that Hazelwood's conviction was a denial of due process. However, the state appealed this decision. The Alaska Supreme Court ultimately reversed the Court of Appeals ruling, holding that the difference between civil and criminal negligence is distinct and that Hazelwood's conviction was lawful. The court emphasized the principle of balancing the defendant's individual interests with society's deterrence interests, concluding that the civil negligence standard was sufficient to uphold the conviction without violating Hazelwood's due process rights. In this case, the criminal law aimed at deterring conduct that society reasonably expected, and therefore no due process violation occurred.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.